When we first log into the Smart Notebook program, it's important for us to understand the tools that we have at our disposal. The first left and right arrows will progress your slides between the previous and the next one. Then we have undo and redo. These are similar to the Microsoft functions. On the left-hand side, we have all of the slides in your presentation. As pages are added to your slide or created, they will be listed here on the side. The white page with the green arrow adds a new page in, and the red minus takes it away. Next, we have the Save button and the Open File button if you have a previously created notebook that you would like to load. The next button, which is listed next to Save, is the Shade button. It looks like the window shade right here. When you select it, it will cover your whole page. Then you can use the circles to pull portions to make them visible for your students. The buttons will work on the top, bottom, left, and right. This will either help your students focus on areas of the page you want them to, or hide answers that you haven't quite gotten to. Above Shade is the red X Delete button, and to the right of that is Insert Table. This works just like Microsoft Word. Select how many cells you want, and it will input a table. Move the table to where you need, and you can begin typing inside. Below the Insert Table function are several measurement features that are very interactive and useful, such as a ruler, a protractor, even a compass. You can see that all of these are interactive so that you can use them with your board. For each of these items, select the tool you wish to use, and then use the highlighted portions to measure or compare the object that you're referring to. The last tool that we're going to look at in this presentation is View Screens. Here, you can zoom in on a page, zoom out, or even go to full screen presentation. When you enter full screen mode, you'll see that your toolbar has moved down here. Use the arrows to expand it to access your pens. Then simply change the view, or you can press Escape to return to your normal page. One final feature of View Screens is the dual page display. If you wish to compare two things or add a second page to discuss, you can do that here. Viewing two pages, you'll see when I add a second page in, now I can view them side by side. I simply select the one I wish to interact with. Moving back to single display, I can then select which page that I want to focus on entirely.